Okay, so we continue. So if we have a domain set input, let's see, we have set input. So the set input itself we call as a domain, and then we have another one, we have set output. So the set output here we call as a range. So this is a domain, and here is a range. Okay, hold on, why the handwriting so bad today? This is domain, and the set output is called as a range. So set input is all possible value that can be the input, and set output or range is all the value that is possible to be the output based on the relations itself. So for examples, let's see, we have number here or any element A, and then B, C, and then D. And then with a certain relation, on the set output we have, let's see, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, for examples. So with certain relation model, so we are mapping A to 1, and then B to 2, and then C to 3, and then D to 4, for examples. Okay, or we have another one like from 1 to 2 here also, and D with 5 here over here. So this is a relation. This is a relation with set of ordered pair. Let's see, just call this is a relation. We call it relation A. With the order pairs is A with 1, and then A with 2, and then B with 2, and then C with 3, and D with 4, and then D again with 5. So this is a relation. Okay, because again, if we are looking at previous, is the set of input and output, which is the ordered pair itself. Okay, but this is not a function. Because of what? Remember again, the definition of function is said one output for each input. One output for each input. While over here, if you see, for input A, there are two outputs. The first one is 1, and another one is 2. So this is already against the definitions of function. Or also again for D, there are two output for D, which is the first one is 4 and another one is 5. So it's already against the definition of function. Remember, for function, only one output for each input. Okay, so the one that we describe in here, this is a relation A, but this is not a function. So a relation A, but this is not a function because of the one that we already explained in here. There are an input which has more than two output. Okay, so an examples again, I will write down here. Domain, which is the set input. Okay, and then range or the set of output. Oops, sorry. Okay, And then let's see, just I have element inside A, B, C, D, and then for the output I have let's see, 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. So they are put into a certain relation, so that A pair with 1, and then B pair with 3, and then C pair with 4, and then D pair with 5. Okay, so here we can say, let's just call this is relation B. Yeah, so this is A earlier, and this one is B. So a relation B, a relation B here with the ordered pair, set of ordered pair A1, and then B 3, and then C4, so C4, and then D5 is a function. We can also call as a function B, because this one satisfied the criteria of function, which one output for each input. So if you look here, exactly each of the input only has one output. Okay, so A only pair with 1, and then B only pair with 3, and then C only pair with 4, and then D only pair with 5, like that. So this is a function. It's a relation, but at the same time also this is a function. Okay.